How to download and log in to CWU's VPN client for Mac. Open your favorite web browser. Navigate to vpn.cwu.edu. Log in using your MyCWU username and password, and then click Login. The system will automatically detect your operating system, so please click the blue button that appears. Continue to follow the prompts that appear on your screen. Double-click this icon to begin the install process. Continue to follow the prompts that appear on your screen. Please click Close and then the Move to Trash button. You may now close out of all the open windows. Open the Spotlight search in the upper right-hand corner and begin to type in AnyConnect. You should see the AnyConnect tool in the top of the list. When the box appears, type in vpn.cwu.edu and then click Connect. When prompted, enter your MyCWU username and password and then click OK. You have successfully connected to the VPN client.